Hey, Kitchenesia fam. Picture this, a dreamy coastal vintage kitchen straight out of Meg Ryan's Martha's Vineyard escape. Today, we're touring every cozy corner of this graceful home, from sunlit foyer to lush garden. Get ready for that perfect blend of seaside charm and countryside elegance. Imagine stepping into this cozy foyer where reclaimed oak floors glow like sun-kissed driftwood. Soft shiplap walls hug you gently, whispering vineyard secrets. That console table? Perfect spot for keys and a quick seashell grab. Golden light dances through iron frames, making everything feel like a warm hug from Meg Ryan herself. Woven bench invites you to kick off sandy shoes. It's pure welcome magic, flowing right into the house's heart. Velvet sofas sink you in like ocean waves, all slip-covered in dreamy linens. Sunlight pours over the marble table, highlighting those brass lamps that catch every ray. Shiplap walls stay crisp and calm amid coastal art pops. Fireplace mantle with driftwood steals the show, cozy yet chic. Feels like Meg's elegant retreat, perfect for sunset chats or quiet reads. Layered rugs add that lived-in vineyard charm. Plush sectional bags for family movie nights, sunlight warming every cushion. Woven rug grounds the space, media unit hiding remotes in vintage cabinets. Oak floors stretch invitingly, shiplap walls keeping it light and breezy. Brass accents gleam softly, pillows piled high for ultimate snuggle. Hearth flickers memories of beach days. This room's your cozy coastal haven, effortlessly chic. Farmhouse table gleams under the chandelier's soft glow, linens crisp and ready. Cane chairs tuck in neatly, seashell centerpiece stealing hearts. Sun streams through iron windows, bouncing off Hutch china. Shiplap whispers elegance, oak floors tying it all together. Brass candelabras add that romantic vineyard touch. Gather here for laughter-filled dinners, Meg Ryan style grace. Island commands the kitchen like a captain's deck, quartz shining bright. Shaker cabinets in seafoam wash hide secrets, farmhouse sink begging for dish suds. Sunlight floods backsplash tiles, herbs thriving in window box. Oak floors flow seamlessly, shiplap walls airy as sea breeze. Brass poles wink playfully. Work triangle dances efficiency with coastal charm. Pure cooking joy. Glass cabinets sparkle with china stacks, marble counter brewing morning coffee. Open shelves brim with mugs and beans, sunlight kissing wicker baskets. Oak floors lead you in smoothly, shiplap cozying the nook. Brass faucet drips elegance, drawers pulling out effortlessly. This pantry's your quick prep dream, vineyard fresh and functional. Feels like Meg's secret spot. King canopy bed drapes in linen bliss, headboard tufted just right. Sunlight filters through shades, oak floors warming bare feet. Shiplap walls cradle ocean views, rattan nightstands adding whimsy. Layered quilts invite lazy mornings. It's romantic retreat vibes, Meg Ryan's countryside grace in every beam.
Pure bedroom serenity.
Wardrobes line up like loyal friends, brass pulls begging a tug. Velvet drawers whisper luxury, island mirror reflecting sunlight perfectly. Oak floors ground the chaos, shiplap keeping it light. Shoe shelves organized, hampers tucked neatly. Sun gleams off hanging rods. This closet's a stylish sanctuary, coastal ease meets smart storage. Marble vanity glows under the oval mirror. Brass faucet poised elegantly. Cushioned stool waits patiently. Perfume trays twinkling in sun. Oak floors feel solid. Shiplap soft around edges. Jewelry drawers hide treasures. Towels folded just so. Gilded frame adds vintage sparkle. Grooming here feels like vineyard spa time, warm and wonderful. Twin-bed sport-check quilts, desks ready for doodles or homework. Sunlight plays on hooks for treasure finds, cushions piled in reading nook. Oak floors stretch playfully, shiplap walls timeless cozy. Toy chests brim with adventures. Whimsical yet grounded, this kid space captures Meg's charm perfectly. Endless fun awaits. Queen sleigh bed promises sweet dreams, linens crisp and welcoming. Wingback chair cozies up with throws, vase blooming on side table. Sun bathes oak floors golden, shiplap serene and neutral. Trays stocked for guests' ease. Hospitality shines here, vineyard retreat ready for friends. Comfort wrapped in grace. Oak desk invites deep work, brass lamp casting focus light. Bookshelves tower with treasures, armchair perfect for page turns. Sunlight warms shiplap walls, nautical charts inspiring thoughts. File cabinets discreet, focus flowing free. This office library's your creative coastal nook, Meg Ryan productivity bliss. Teak seats lure you outside, linen cushions soft under sun. Stone pavers echo oaken doors, fire pit crackling promises. Shiplap house walls blend seamlessly, hydrangeas nodding hello. Iron frames match perfectly, railing framing ocean dreams. Al fresco dining vibe strong. Terrace flows like vineyard evening magic. Stone paths wind through wildflowers, gravel nooks calling picnics. Hydrangeas burst blue, fruit trees espaliered neatly. Sun-dappled porch with shiplap charm, oak echoes in design. Picket fence frames meadow peace. Gardens alive with vineyard grace, serene strolls and bird songs. Nature's cozy embrace. There you have it, our coastal vintage haven inspired by Meg Ryan's Vineyard grace. Reclaimed oak floors, soft shiplap walls, and golden sunlight everywhere. Which room's your fave? Hit like if you're obsessed, subscribe for more design magic, and drop a comment below.
See you next time.